guys, thanks for joining me and welcome back. So today in this video I'm going to show you how I created these beautiful elegant tissue boxes for an event that I did a few months ago. I made them and I didn't shoot a video, so today I wanted to create just a special video just to show you how I did this. This came out really lovely. These were used in the bathroom and on a special table that I had set aside. So I'm going to show you how I did that because I think these came out absolutely gorgeous, and it would be nice, you know, just to have one in your own home. I made two for myself, and so I'm going to show you what I used. So I used a standard box of tissues. I got this one from the supermarket for, I think it was $1, guys. So yeah, and you can get tissue for $1. So if you want to make it, it won't cost a lot. I'm going to use the Premium Decor satin paint. I'm going to use that globe bowl. I'm also going to be using, not that, but I'm going to be using this glass here, or this porcelain cup with the silver bottom. I'm going to be using my clear tacky glue, my paintbrush, and I'm going to use the plastic spatula to help spread the glue. Along with that, I have some fabric left. This is the fabric that I used originally for the project, and I have some left, so I'm going to show you how I'm going to apply that to the box, along with some metal wrap. I'm either going to use the flower mesh wrap or that square one. I really don't like the square one. It looks kind of masculine. But anyway, I ended up using the flower wrap mesh. I'm going to be using my hot glue gun, glue sticks. I'm going to be using those silicone fingers so that I don't feel the hot glue if it touches my finger. Along with that, I'm going to be using some pink or blush colored peony flowers. I'm going to use that in the porcelain vase or glass that I have in the back, and so I'm going to get started. First thing I'm going to do is paint the box, guys. If you can't find a white box, you can always paint it. I like to paint the boxes white because I think it's just cheaper just to buy whatever box you can find and then paint it. The paint I'm using is by Premium Decor, and it's a great paint, guys, for crafting because first it has very low odor. It's very full coverage. You can usually paint over a print with two thin applications, and it dries quickly. It doesn't soak through the box or doesn't soak through paper. It's absolutely great for projects. So this is what the box looks like with two coats on it, and I prefer a white background so that the material that I use is on the sheer side, and so that it doesn't pick up any of the print that's on the box. So I'm going to remove that a little bit later. So right now I'm going to take my clear tacky gel along with that white spatula, and I'm going to start to apply it to the sides of the box. Making sure that I spread the glue evenly and get it all over the box, even towards the corners and the edges. And I'm going to do one side at a time. So right now I'm just going to start applying the fabric. This is some leftover fabric. One of the reasons why I didn't like this fabric, because the little silver dots, they come off when you use it. But I noticed when I used it for this gluing process or project, they don't come off. So anyway, so I'm using the last of this fabric. So yeah, so I just decided to use what was left just to show you how I completed this project. I love to use the tacky glue because it really leaves a lot of room for error. It doesn't dry automatically, and so you have enough time to manipulate your fabric, stretch it around the box or whatever project you're using it for, and you usually just can work very, very easily with it. So right here now I'm just removing any excess fabric, and I'm just going to allow this box to dry for about a half hour. You can start working on it within 15 minutes, but it's still going to be a little tacky within a half hour. So right now I'm just going to cut off any extra fabric that's at the top of the box so that I can start applying the fabric to the top. I'm going to remove that little lid that says Nature's Promise, so I don't need that now. And so now I'm taking the clear tacky glue, I'm applying it to the top so that I can apply the fabric. And guys, you see how fast and easy this is. This was so quick. And you just put it on, and the biggest process is allowing the project to dry. So as you can see, I can stretch the fabric over the clear tacky glue, and I'm using that spatula just to press down the fabric onto the glue. And when it dries, guys, it's going to dry nice and firm, and you'll be able to just remove any excess fabric that's hanging from the box. It cuts away very, very easily. So right now I'm going to set that aside and let it dry for about 20 minutes. Now that it's dry, I'm taking my scissors and I'm going to cut the corners of the top fabric so that I can remove it easily. So right now I'm just trimming off the excess. Now I'm just going to go inside and just remove that center part, because now we don't need that. Our tissue will have easy access. And I'm just trimming away all the edges just to make sure that the box looks nice and neat. And if you see any loose fabric on the sides, it's very easy just to trim it off and to neaten it up. So right now I'm going to use the flowered wrap mesh. I picked this up from Amazon, and I'm just going to apply that to the bottom half of the box. Just removing some excess glue that dripped down. Guys, you can see how quick and easy this is, and it came out so beautifully. So here I just cut off some single little flowers, and I'm just going to apply it to the top. And that's it, guys. Fast forwarding, of course. This is the first one that I made. This is the first prototype, and that one is the one that I just made for you all. They both look really, really nice. So right now I'm just going to take that flower wrap and I'm just going to apply it to that clear glass. You can use this for a candle holder, but in this video and in my home, in my bedroom, I'm using this as a brush holder for my brushes. So guys, this is it. Look how nice that looks, not overdone. And now I'm just going to finish up, and I'm going to take you to the end of the video so that you can see how everything looks. Came out very, very, very nice, guys. I absolutely love this. This project was very easy. Thank you so much for joining me, guys. I appreciate it. Let me know what you think below. And take care, stay blessed, and I'll see you at the next video. Bye-bye.